When lives, security and the environment are at stake, you must prepare for anything and everything by rehearsing. And that's just what we did using this scenario. The pressure in a gas pipe suddenly drops. Our drones with gas sensors, thermal imaging and HD cameras are sent up to take a look. A person is lying on the roof. We can see high concentrations of gas close to him. The video stream also shows a broken pipe close to the man, so the first responders have to take precautions as they go up onto the roof. With a good overview of the situation and the problem identified, the drones can be called back and their regular flight scheme restored. Drones are our airborne watchdogs, searching for intruders, sniffing for gas, and monitoring bark piles to make sure they don't catch fire. This is possible today with Nokia technology.